Hey guys, we're here at the munisipyo. No? Actually, galing kami ng McDo. And ngayon, dito kami sa munisipyo ng Putatan. Ah, Actually, munisipyo siya ng buong Muntinlupa. Dito siya nakatayo ngayon sa Putatan kasi ito yung pinaka-accessible sa mga tao. And most of the mga transactions dito ginagawa kasi ngayon pa ngayon yung munisipyo nila. And actually, hindi ko mapakita.
Much later, 7 hours later.
Guys, actually, it's okay na hapon. And here sa Coffee Project also. Ito yung pinakamalaking establishment dito malapit sa munisipyo ng Putatan. Kasi kagaya kanina galing kami doon. Lakad kami pero sobrang liit and lapit lang ng pagitan ng all homes sa Coffee Project. Dito tayo ngayon sa Coffee Touch. Kakatapos lang namin mag-coffee pero parang feel ko mag-coffee ulit kami. And just to explain doon sa kasi hindi kami makapag-explain doon sa may description. Yung munisipyo before is pinuntahan yun dati ni Aguinaldo dahil meron siyang na-recruit dalawang taga-Putatan. Actually, pangalan nila ay password.
A few minutes later.
Ako yung pangalan nila guys, Dimas at Hipolito. Sila yung dalawang ni-recruit dito ni General Emilio Aguinaldo na para sumali sa Katipunan noong 1988. So before, yung nakipaglaban ng mga Katipunero, mostly ng mga Katipunero ay napatay, including yung mga leaders nila na galing sa Batangas. Pero si Dimas at si Hipolito lang yung nakasurvive. Kasi meron silang tinatawag na nagimat daw ko. Sabi dito, si Dimas daw, ay may dala na lang ang nagimat. At yung suot ni Dimas ay parang skirmishes na binigay sa kanila ng mga nakakatatan ng mga taga-Putatan.
15 minutes late.
Actually guys, hindi na pala kami nagkape. Kakain na lang kami. Short trivia lang guys. Yung word na putatan is nakuha nila sa derivative plant, tinatawag na putat. Yung derivative plant na yun is para siyang poisonous fruit dahil sa mga isda. And tumutubo lang yun kasi meron dito yung putatan before na isang bakawan na pinaninirahan ng mga crocodiles yan. If you guys know it, pwede nyo i-search yung pangalan, yung itsura ng ano. Ito siya.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nakalimutan kong banggitin kanina dahil maraming bakawan dito. Mostly ng mga kinabubuhayan ng mga tao dito sa Putatan is fishing. Kaya ngayon tawag na putat is kasi yun siya, poisonous dahil sa mga fish. So ginagamit yun ng mga tao para mangisda. And maraming mga mangingisda before. For 3 years yun ang naging kabuhayan nila.
5 minutes later.
Guys, after ng mahabang lakaran, nandito ako sa Bill and nakakapagod. Kanina sa video, kita nyo naka-jacket ako. Ngayon hindi na. Kasi, yung lugar dito sa Bill is pataas. And why? During nung Spaniard, nabanggit kanina ni Dad na ang kabuhayan ng mga tao dito sa Putatan is fishing. Pero nung dumating sila, naging sugarcane na. Naging farming na sila. And number 1 nung sa amin Bill to nagamit dahil napabundok siya. And now, sobrang tatag na. But, makikita mo pa rin pag kailangan mo, pataas-taas pa rin.
Meanwhile,
History of governance in Putatan. So in Putatan experienced a significant political development that influenced its social, economic, and cultural aspect as it evolves into a community. By the 1930s, during the latter part of the American regime, it became a political unit known as barrio, now a barangay, governed by a teniente or a councilman. Estanislao Espeleta, serving as the first teniente del barrio. The title later be renamed Capitan del Barrio and now Punong Barangay or Chairman for the period from 1939 to 1943. To commemorate Estanislao Espeleta as the first teniente del barrio or the first Punong Barangay of Putatan, his name was put on public display and named a road after him, signifying his contribution and legacy in Putatan. After Estanislao Espeleta's term came to an end, and thereafter followed by the following Teniente del Barrios or the barangay chiefs, were Domingo Tagle, serving from 1945 to 1950, Gavino Arciaga, serving from 1950 to 1954, followed by Fermin Arciaga in 1960, but just serving for a year. Next is Hilario Concepcion, serving from 1961 to 1962, followed by Faustino C. Arciaga Sr. in 1962 to 1972. Catalino Bernardino Arciaga, serving from 1972 to 1981. Melchor de la Cruz, serving from 1981 to 1986, followed by Alfredo A. Arciaga in 1986, but only 3 months serving as the officer in charge. Roman Yepes and Rufino Ibe stands as the officer in charge, and Danilo Arteves serving in 1989 to 1997, followed by Colonel Pablo E. Salamat in July 1997 to 2002, and elected again Danilo Arteves from 2002 to 2007, followed by Elizabeth Masangkay from 2007 to 2013, and lastly Danilo Arteves from 2013 and so forth, up until his son replaced him in 2024. And now the current barangay chairman is his son, Gerardo Jerry Teves. Maynilad's Putatan Water Treatment Plant, located in Muntinlupa, sources the water from Laguna de Bay. The facilities uses a comprehensive treatment process to provide a clean and safe water. The water from Laguna de Bay has been the primary resource of every household through the filtration system in the Maynilad water system. Putatan is located at the south city of Manila. It is bounded by the barangays Alabang and Bayanan on the north, Laguna de Bay on the east, the Muntinlupa population on the south, and the barangay Ayala Alabang on the west.
Mga ganyan kinakatanong nung sa gilid.
Sige lang.